Hey guys, so Claude just reset everyone's usage limits, the 5-hour limit and the weekly limit, both of them for every single user. And this dropped literally a day after OpenAI released their GPT 5.6 series of models. So yeah, make of that timing what you will, but here's what it means for you. So if you burn through your Claude limits this week, you're back to 100% right now. And there's a second part to this, because that fresh limit also lets you use Fable 5, which is their most powerful model ever, for completely free, but only for a couple more days. Okay, so this is the official post on Anthropic site, and quick backstory in case you missed it. Fable 5 is Anthropic's most powerful model. It actually sits above Opus right now, and on June 12th, the US government put export controls on it, so it basically disappeared overnight for everyone. And then on June 30th, you can see right here, those controls got lifted and access came back. And the best part is that if you're on Pro, Max, or Team, and Fable 5 is just included with your plan, and you can use it for up to 50% of your weekly rate limit at no extra cost. But look at this line, it says through July 7th, and that date's already passed, right? Well, the thing is, they extended it. This is Claude's official post, and Fable 5's access on all paid plans now runs to July 12th. That's the real deadline, and after that, Fable 5 is only going to be available through usage res, which honestly gets expensive fast. We're talking $10 per million input tokens and 50 per million output, which is twice the price of Opus. So this free window is generally the last few days. So yeah, that's the whole play, guys. Your limit just got reset. Fable 5 is free on your plan till July 12th, and you've got a fresh weekly allowance to spend on it. So go use it, and if this helped you, drop a like, hit subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.